Welcome back, everyone. In today's Linux tutorial, we're going to enable fingerprint support on MX Linux. This is a great way to speed up your workflow on any laptop equipped with a compatible fingerprint scanner. Let's dive in. First, we need to install the necessary drivers. Open your terminal and run sudo apt install fprintd libpam fprint. Enter your password when prompted. Hit Y to confirm and let the installation wrap up. Next, it's time to register your print. Run the command fprint-enroll. Now place your finger on the sensor. You'll need to lift and press it multiple times. Try different angles to ensure a good read. Keep going until the terminal says enroll completed. To actually use this for logins and sudo commands, we need to update the PAM configuration. Run sudo pam-auth-update. Use your arrow keys to highlight fingerprint authentication, press the spacebar to select it, then hit Tab to select OK and press Enter. You're all set. To test it out, try running any sudo command in a new terminal. You should see a prompt asking for your finger scan instead of a typed password. It's that simple. If you ran into any hardware compatibility issues, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.